And flooding concerns continue as we anticipate more rain heading into Friday, as Griffin mentioned. Now, Henderson Emergency Management says parts of their community are still dealing with floodwaters. You can see the difference in this footage from our 44 drone high in the sky. Since Wednesday, a lot of the water has drained, but some roads are still closed. Emergency crews say they responded to 4 separate water rescues on Tuesday as several cars were still stranded. Thankfully, no one was injured, but officials say if you see standing waters, remember to turn around and don't drown.